Hey everyone, I have two unboxings here today for a girl 2 to 4, and these are Doc McStuffin theme. Here's the first one, and then the other one. Now they're in the same bin. They both have a purple lid. I just had the lid off of this one, but they're a little bit different. I'll take the lid off of this one. And this box here, it has a little bit of a yellow in it, and this one has a bit of a blue in it. So at the very top, they both have a pretty dress that I found at Walmart for $5. These are size 4-5. They have little hearts and stars on them. So both of the girls will be getting one of these dresses. And here is this one's dress. They both have a notebook in the color blue and yellow. It's kind of their main, or their little off color of their shoebox. And then they both have this Doc McStuffin pencil pouch. I found these at Dollarama. And Doc McStuffin is hugging Lammy. If you have not seen this cartoon, it's really cute. My 13-year-old twins used to watch it when they were little, and I always watched it with them because it was darling. Their voices, they had the sweetest little voices for all the characters, and the music was really cute, and the storyline, I really like the storyline. So if you haven't seen it, you should check it out. She has Raspberry Squirt and Golden Nugget. She has a jumbo purple eraser, sharpener, her scissors. There are two jumbo chubby pencils that I kept in the packaging. I've been finding that those ones tend to mark up the items around them, so I just left them in the packaging. And then she has a couple of these fun pencils. They have little piñatas on them, and then some regular pencils and her colored pencils. And then the last thing in her bag is this puzzle eraser. And then her pencil pouch has this cute car pencil sharpener, eraser and yellow scissors, chubby pencils. Her markers are pink and green. And then her fun pencils and some colored pencils as well. And that's everything in her Doc McStuffin pouch. They both have these crayons in a little sack so that they can keep their crayons in the sack, just to help keep things tidy. Now I ran out of bows, so this one doesn't have a bow, but this one has a little hair bow wrapped around here. And of course there's a glue stick inside as well. They both have a Dollar Tree soap that has a loofah built inside of it. And they both have a jump rope. This one has a purple and this one has a blue to go with her off color. Now this one here, she has a water bottle, and this one has a cup. Now, this little Fisher-Price toy is a dentist, and you'll see why she has this little dentist figurine. She also has a couple hair ties, some Band-Aids, some floss, and a Fisher-Price toddler activity ball that has a heart. And there's also a heart on the bottom of her cup. And inside this one, she has her toothbrush, a Barbie toothbrush with a blue cap, and then she has some pink thread, a musical instrument, and 3 pair of size 3 and size 4 underwear with some hair ties. They both have a little facial scrub, and then they both have a tote bag. She has a bit of yellow, so she has the yellow heart one, and she has the purple flower tote bag. Now her underwear is inside of these containers, size 3 and size 4. They both have a compact mirror. This one with the blue highlighted color has this one, Nikki. She is a sweet OCC friend, and she sent me some of these compact mirrors. They are very nice. And it's Pooh, but it is Disney, so it goes with her theme. I just put one of these skateboard stickers on, and then this one has the pop-out brush and mirror. Now this one has sidewalk chalk. I wasn't able to fit any in this one because she has a chatter teeth, but she does have some sidewalk chalk. And this one here, she has a purple gray senior hair comb that I get from Amazon. I really like the quality of these hair combs. and how they support OCC. And then they both have a sharpener. This one has the purple, and there's just 2 colorful rainbow shoelaces inside of each of these sharpeners. She has the blue to go with her blue color. And then both of their wow items. The one with the blue has the Doc McStuffin, and this one has Lammy, and they both have a little bell inside of them. Now these are nice quality. They are Disney brand, and I found them on Amazon. Right now these retail for about $25-$30, but I found them back in February for $10. So I got each of them for $5. So again, I just put them in my wish list and waited for them to go down in price, and they went down significantly. So this one has Lammy, and this one has Doc McStuffin. All right, and then she has a little fun ball there, and the other one has the Fisher-Price ball. And then they both have a pair of socks. This one has purple tie-dye socks, and they both have grippies on them. And this little girl, I couldn't get her toothbrush in her cup, so she has a Barbie one as well. And she also has a little musical instrument. Let me know if you like the way I show these two side by side. I'm not sure. I think this is the first time I've showed my boxes like this. And then their little toys. The Doc McStuffin one, she has the doctor set, and then Lammy has the little dentist set. Now inside, I wanted them to have a little patient, and you might recognize these. These are from Amazon. They were in my collab that I did with Sharon with East Coast Stories. I forgot to say it, but Sharon was the one that found these little bears. So I'm very grateful. They came in bulk, so I have many of these to put in shoe boxes. They also have great sensory because they can feel the little embellishments with the pearls and the ribbon and the silky skirt. So this is her little patient. And then Miss Lammy's shoebox has a little patient as well, except hers is the purple one. And I gave them both a sack. You know, I think even the mom would appreciate their kids having a way to keep their toys neat and tidy. I know I like that for my kids too. So whenever I include little items, little trinkets, I like to include something that they can keep it in. So Doc McStuffin has her stethoscope, along with the little other doctor instruments that you would need, and the tweezers. This just came from the Dollar Tree. And then the dentist, now I couldn't fit this in, but she has the chatter teeth with the toothbrush, so she can brush the teeth, and she can even do some extractions with her little toolkit. So that's why I gave her the little dentist Fisher-Price toy too, and there's her little bag to keep her little items in. And then they both have one of these leggings to go underneath their dress, and I found them for $1 each at Walmart. And then they have the same coloring book with crayons on the back. There's also stickers in there. And then the last thing, they each have a little journal. One has, the Lammy one has this with a little book. And this one has the sparkly notepad. And I found both of these at the Dollar Tree. And those are my two toddler girl shoe boxes with a Doc McStuffin theme. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.